Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
This is the Friday morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for the 9th of December. James Spann here, getting set to cruise into a nice, cool, dry, tranquil weekend. Check some of the Skycam shots. First off, some of the sunset scenes yesterday. Wow, these were fantastic. These were captured as the sun was going down about 4:45 or so in the afternoon. That's coming from Parrish in Walker County. In fact, I was right by that camera yesterday. Spoke with the kids at Parrish Elementary School. Here's a look at the Demopolis Skycam as the sun was going down, right down the Tom Bigby. This is the lowest sun angle of the year for the next few weeks, and that was sent in from one of our viewers who stopped up on the bridge over Interstate 5920 in Tuscaloosa. And look at the view this morning. I thought this was great. Look at that big old nearly full moon from Tuscaloosa. And that's even better. Boy, that looks like something out of a movie there. That's the moon over Mobile. All right, there's the water vapor satellite imagery. Some high clouds around today, but lots of sunshine getting through those. Pretty cold this morning, as expected, as cold as 23. That's the low up in Haleyville, or the 5 a.m. temperature, I should say. Mostly upper 20s and low 30s around here. Gadsden, 28. Birmingham in the city, a tad warmer at 34. And around the nation, you can see that new surge of cold air nosing into the northern plains, where they are down in the 0-degree range up on the Canadian border. And no, we're not going to see the core of that cold air, but we'll catch the edge of it tomorrow. So that will simply give us a fresh supply of cool, dry air. And man, it's quiet across the country. No, winter storms or flooding or thunderstorm issues, just some fog issues out west. And the rain for the next 5 days suggesting nothing here. This is valid through Tuesday evening at 6 p.m. All right, let's go through the modeling here. This is the 06C GFS at noon today. You can see the disturbance up north that will be pulling down that new surge of cool, dry air. And it will come through in dry fashion, but today should be nice. Partly sunny with mid-50s likely. Tomorrow, a little cooler. Don't know if you can really tell a big difference. The high should drop back to about 50, maybe a 5-degree drop, not as much as we first thought. And Sunday looks good. We'll start the day at or below freezing. We'll wind up in the middle 50s. So if you like the weather yesterday, that's basically the weather today, tomorrow, and Sunday. Monday of next week, we stay dry. And Tuesday, thickness values coming up. Pretty good chance we'll see upper 60s, I'd say upper 60s, low 60s. Got moisture increasing off to the west. And Wednesday, got a pretty good-looking shortwave coming out of the southwest United States. Down below that, rain breaks out to the west of Alabama over the southern plains. And again, that would be kind of a cloudy-ish, mild day with highs in the 60s. And Thursday, there's the deal. The shortwave coming out of the southwest lifts pretty far north of here. And accordingly, the surface low is pretty far north as well. That's a really deep low. That's 988 millibars. That's between Minneapolis, St. Paul, and Milwaukee. And there's a trailing front down the Mississippi River. And again, this is midday Thursday, so this is suggesting the showers could creep in here Thursday afternoon or Thursday night. And Friday, what happens? Well, the upper support pulls out and the front loses the southward push and it just stalls out. So that would hint that we might better keep a chance of showers going not only Thursday evening, but into Friday as well. And of course, with the dynamics so far north, no severe weather, nothing like that. And this is the European valid Friday morning. It's got the same idea. That deep surface low is up into Canada. Trailing front just stops. So the end of next week could be relatively wet. Go out there a few more days. This is the 20th of December. Same deal. Big trough in the southwest. That looks kind of showery there. And we'll check the end of the forecast. Wow, this is midnight Christmas Eve. All right. And again, with a pattern like that, we've got a zonal flow. The cold air is going to stay north of us. Down below that, that would be seasonal and quiet. And again, we've had very good consistency in the idea of no extremes out here of temperature and no major storms. Of course, this is voodoo land, but sure get the idea the weather could be pretty quiet at Christmas time, much like the weather we have now, and that's good. We had our white Christmas last year. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video by 3:30 or so today And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.